I'm live.
And this is the third time that I hit go live and I didn't go live already.
Ruin, good morning.
I gotta start
This live stream is for entertainment. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Okay, good morning, Ruin. Good morning, Omnius. Good morning, Futures Floor. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Skeletor, Bobby Brown. Everybody, good morning. I was live, and then I wasn't live again. So, sorry for that confusion. But the good news is I trade much better than I control the OBS software. So that's the good news. Okay.
Need to put that on the title. Terrible streamers, better traders. Maybe.
I like that.
When we're not drunk.
We're not drunk yet. Anyways, just I already did my opening.
Bama, good morning.
Good morning, Bama. I did my opening blur. Basically, anything significant is all the way down at 25,000. The markets are very strong. We're over everything, over the VWAP, over the previous day's close. We made a new all-time high just a little bit ago, about 20 minutes ago. And then I did say that we'll let Omnius take over and give a closer breakdown, maybe on the 1 hour, 30 minute, see if he sees anything that I'm missing.
You have some Fed members speaking today, but nothing really on the news.
Yeah, a bunch of them, eh? It's a busy day.
Yeah, it's pretty much all day of people speaking, but nothing of real importance, I guess. Until the market, market jumps 100 points out of nowhere. Then somebody said something. We do have FOMC minutes tomorrow.
There's nothing you're going to say. You're not really an important person. Get off the stage.
Yeah, people can move the market. But don't know that there's any. They're just kind of speaking.
Yeah. Yep, all day long.
All day long.
One after
the other. Better to do.
Yeah, I had the They got to earn their pay. I had the economic calendar up. You know what? I should have saved it. Why didn't I save it? What an idiot. Let's put it back up again. Probably going to have to.
What are you doing?
Oh, just putting up the economic calendar again. Hopefully it got saved. Looks like it got saved. Okay. Bostic at 10. Bauman at 10:05. So Bostic doesn't have much to say unless they're speaking over each other. Miran at 10:30. Or Miran. Kashkari. I've heard that name at 11:30. Anyways. Okay, so it's all night. Figure out what we can do. Trade safe. I don't know. Low size.
Breaking new highs again. So much for that market crash. Everybody over the weekend talking about Black Monday and the world's collapsing.
Well, one day.
But didn't happen yet, and we're still here. So
yeah, it's all they got to trade. They only got to be right one time to proclaim themselves as geniuses, eh?
Well, I guess it just goes to show you that nobody knows. It's going to crash when it crashes.
Of course, nobody knows. And
I was looking at this rejection back here, but then it pushed up again. So,
and y'all should know that nobody knows.
Nope. And when everybody does know, it does the opposite. I know that. We've got hourly chart. I mean, it's more of the same. Chart. Hate to say it, more of the same shit. Just gonna keep
every day, Groundhog Day.
Just gonna keep pushing up slightly to the new highs and lots of chop. You know, everybody loves it. More of the same.
Oh, shit, it's true. Hold on.
You don't need to look at charts anymore. Just, I don't know what the hell it's going to do.
Hey. How's that even possible? Oh.
What would you do?
Okay, that's 2-minute warning. I had sound coming out of my phone. It was confusing me.
How'd your colonoscopy go yesterday?
It went.
Doctor finger everything out?
Doctor finger everything out. It went long. It wasn't short. How's that for a... Yeah. Wait, I got to send you another Discord message.
This one's going to say, do not mention colonoscopy on stream.
Yeah, there was another word that
Guys, it was a joke. Mike may or may not have went for a colonoscopy yesterday. It was a joke. Or was it? We don't know. Too many messages nowadays.
I left you Discord.
This guy.
Skeletor, good morning. Market's opening in 15 seconds. Let's get ready to trade. Let's get ready to rumble.
You better get getting.
No, but it is. It's 11:45 today, unfortunately. Okay, markets are opened.
Skeletor, good morning. We have a holiday weekend this weekend.
Mm-hmm. Okay, first trade in the books. Nice. That was a quick.
I'll come right out the gate swinging between you and Skeletor.
I love trading the open. We just got a long trade, but I'm not going to take it. Believe it or not, I'm not feeling the long right now. That's probably the wrong attitude to have, eh? Okay, I'll take it for a 2-lot. The stop is tight anyways. Did I get filled? Target's 42. The stop is 21. I'll have my finger on the close button. 42 target. I'm in at 26. Stop is 21. We're close. 25, 23, 24, 25, 26.
You long?
I'm long. Yeah, it was a tight stop. There we go. Still not stopped out though. The offer didn't hold there, and now the offer held. Okay, I'm out. Gave back a little bit, no problem. I didn't want to not take it because just in case the market blasted up, I did get in at a good price and 9 points better. So we'll try it again. I only took a 2-lot, a small one, and it's going to trigger again. Damn it!
I put a 1-lot on my master account yesterday because I had to make a trade.
Okay.
I wanted to do a flip trade real quick, so I put a 1-lot on, bought it, and then I hit the limit sell. So when I sold the order, so it went like 5 points in profit. When I sold the order, it sold for 4 instead of 1. So I was going the wrong direction and wind up losing.
I get that a lot, and you know why I get that? Is because I have an ATM. So after I place my order, it resets the size to the ATM.
Like, what the hell, man? Come on. I wanted it back so bad. I was like, you better just leave that alone.
Yeah, that's it, man. Remember what I always say? Small losses. I mean, not I, everyone. That's the key. Oh, wow, we went right back down. So we took a 7-point profit there. I got the long, it entered again. Well, I'm on like trade number 3 already. Next trade's trade number 4. It's 9:33.
Killing it. You have a short. You got a short? What do you think?
I can sort of say it, but not really, not yet. Got to get a little bit early, under, more, lower, 210 maybe. Oh, what's the Dow
I wish it
doing?
wasn't so choppy.
For all you Dow enthusiasts, Dow is just climbing higher.
You see the short here.
Oh, I'm going to take a Dow.
Pop.
I took a Dow trade. Let's see. This is crazy. This is stupid. This is impulsive. It's not off a retrace. I'll have to use the low all the way down here. I'll use the previous candle's low as my exit in the meantime. Let's see what happens in ES.
I wanted the short, but then it's just kind of chopping everywhere, man.
Yeah, there goes the Dow. Dow only goes one way. If you find if you see the candles are bullish, just buy. Okay, I took a small little profit over there. I don't know if you guys are noticing, but ES does look quite a bit stronger.
Who was it that brought up the Dow?
I don't know. Who poisoned my mind?
Was that some guy that just stopped by to tell us to trade the Dow and left?
Nah, I think it was either Ruan, Skeletor. I'm guessing.
I wasn't ruined. Might have been. I don't know. Might have been Skeletor, but I don't think so.
Yeah, it might have been.
Skeletor, did you mention the Dow?
It was me. Poisoned my brain. But
no, was Skeletor? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it came off a little bit. Yeah, let's take a look what it did. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I got to get it up on a chart. Oh, we got another entry at 42. I'll take a 3 lot. 42, 34, 35. Come on,
said it wasn't him. Ruin, good morning. Did I tell Ruin good morning yet? I think so, yep.
It's a 3 lot. Targeting 49. Stop is 28. 28 for 49. 28
you in another trade?
I'm in another trade long.
Shit, this guy's a freaking millionaire already.
28 for 49. Let's go. 28 for 49. Oh, we were high there. I could have gotten a piece out. I should have taken a piece out. I'm long at 37. I had about 8 points. 37. That's good. That's about 7 points. I'll take one piece off. 44, 45, another one. And then we'll go for 49. I'll watch for 49. 46, 47. I'm good with 47, 48. Good enough. No, I just remember someone from last week. Okay, that's it. That's another good trade there. Woo, that's fun. My brain's not tired yet either. That's good. Let's go take a look at the Dow. I'm sure the Dow is going... Oh, my God. Look at the Dow. That's out of character.
I thought you were trading the Dow.
No, I was trading. I switched again.
It's kind of all over the place.
My mouse is smoking.
It's like I got Dow, I got NQ, I got gold. Where you at? How many trades you take? I'm like,
What did the 2-minute opening range do? I think it went to profit. Definitely. It was a short trade, and it went to profit. Okay, I don't want to take, okay, gotta get off the Dow. I don't want to take impulsive trades, so. So be careful is my point.
What was your point?
I need to be careful not to take impulsive trades, because just because I'm doing well right now doesn't mean the market can't suddenly shift personalities and make my life difficult.
Nasdaq would never switch personalities.
So just wait for a setup. Wait for a setup.
Right, yesterday's high now, right? That's all
No
that
need
means.
to be impatient. See, That's the thing. In the beginning, there's so many opportunities for me, the way I read the charts, that I assume it's going to continue like that, and I get click happy. But it doesn't. By 9:35, 9:40, it slows down already. Now the trades have to be earned. Yeah, so Nasdaq is holding under previous day's high. ES is holding above previous day's high. ES is very close to breaking the overnight highs. The pre-market highs. I keep calling them the overnights. The pre-market, starting at 6 a.m. Nasdaq is quite a way away. So, got to be careful on the longs. Got to be careful. Get a good price. That's what I mean by got to be careful. Fight for a good price. Don't chase. Don't destroy the risk profile. And
If somebody does chase, I get to play the donkey, right?
You get to play the donkey if they confess.
Watching you guys. Chase would play the donkey.
ES coming down.
What do you want to do?
If ES shows weakness and starts to break lower, I think shorts on the Nasdaq are gonna pay well. $42.56 bid holds. We will have an entry. We're right at previous day's high right now. But not for the first time. So we already tapped into it multiple times. Trying to go higher.
Looking at the EOS, it just spikes down, spikes up, chops around.
A little bit of a
ES
battle.
actually looks nastier than the NQ.
A little bit of battle here going on with NQ at the previous day's high.
NQ 5-minute looks like it's still bullish.
It does, yep. ES going down though.
Yeah, not really that much in sync right now.
No. Yeah, that's what I figured what would happen. I said if ES goes down, NQ showing weakness relative to ES, so I'm not surprised that we rejected like that for 15 points off the previous day's high.
Anybody else tired of these market conditions? every freaking day.
$42, $45.
Bullshit. I agree, Bama.
I missed it.
Completely agree.
It's bullshit. That was my aunt's favorite word. Everything was bullshit. Everything was bullshit, according to her.
Mm-hmm.
She was one funny lady. No, I wasn't. That's bullshit.
Man, can we at least get past like 10 o'clock and then chop or something? Can we at least get the morning out of the way?
It's true, eh? 10 o'clock. There's the Mr. Speaker. $9.44.
Conditions as every other day. It's just terrible conditions for my trade.
Woo. No kidding. Came right back down, eh? So, yeah, we're not breaking. We're holding below previous day's high. Let's make the candles a little fatter here. I sent you a picture in the Discord. Did you see it? Not now. I sent it to you. You don't have to go check it now. But last night, a guy left a comment and I sent a reply.
Oh, I've seen that, yeah.
I said, come join the stream. Ask Omnius. He'll be happy to answer.
Delta dumping.
Oh, yeah.
See if this can drop to the low side. Not so much filling this trade.
One time I want you to say Delta dumping, and I'm able to take
bouncing back and forth between a long entry and a short entry. So tight. What is the 55 to 38?
What's Dow doing?
Just bouncing back.
Dow broke. We're going lower
Dump
now.
it. This is it. Do it. Dump it. No more bullshit. Dump it. Good news is, I guess, if it loses this trade, shouldn't be that big of a loss.
That is good news. That's how a trader should always be framed.
That's how I'd frame my trades if I had a choice.
Dump
it. Come on. Just do it. Dump it. Literally teetering on the entry.
Well, ES is breaking below the previous day's high, so don't start. Hey, Sparks, go outside. Your friends are calling you.
My friends are here. Tell them I'm busy, man. We're trading right now.
Sparky's friends. No, trying to go higher. Trying.
I'm saying it goes to one side, wants to take the trade,
on the ES.
back to the other side.
It's a loss.
Come on, man. Just pick a side.
Yeah. Okay, don't worry. I haven't forgotten about you.
Gotta give Sparky some treats, man.
Yeah, but I do have a long. Shit, do I want to take it? Long at 49. Whoa, we're so close to the stop also. It's going to stop out. There we go. It stopped out. Okay, good. I didn't take it. There you go, Spark.
Kidding. Again with, like, touching the short and bouncing.
Yep.
Really not. Really don't want to take this trade. Been like this past week. I get stopped out, I'm gonna lose my shit. That's how we all feel, Bama.
Well, I can tell you, I'm kind of doing okay, but my system isn't, which kind of sounds odd. But let me see.
My system's still doing great. Just gotta trust in it and accept the losses.
3 losers, 2 winners. That is not good. ES looks like it wants to go lower. I think NQ is gonna follow.
I've had 1, 2, 3 times it wanted to go short, 2 times it wanted to go long. Come on, just choose the direction.
Yeah. How can it show relative weakness? That's odd. And now ES is weaker than NQ.
ES trying to dump. NQ's trying to push.
Yeah.
We don't know what we're doing.
They reverse roles.
Mm-hmm. Wouldn't want to be in this.
I don't know why I always assume that ES is the dog and NQ is the tail. And that ES pushes, ES leads.
I would assume that NQ would lead. I know people used to always say that ES leads, but I think times have changed.
I got to take that out of my head because you know what that's going to do? That's going to make me form a bias.
NQ's all the tech stocks.
Yeah, and if I form a
Top
bias,
10 tech stocks are half the market.
I can get into trouble. But it really looks like there's going to be a quick move down on NQ. I think it's going to try and catch up to ES. It came down quite aggressively there.
Be honest with you and tell you what I think. I don't know what the hell this market's trying to do.
Yeah, well, it's irrelevant what we think, to be honest with you, but even me, it's irrelevant what I think.
All I know is it's driving me crazy. Just choose a direction.
Yeah, you just got to try and figure out what the direction is and get in on it.
I have this feeling. Oh, there it went. Ticked me in. Okay.
Short?
Yeah. Not liking it. Not happy. It's just frown on my face.
No, I see a little smile. You have a little bit of a curl there in the corners. You're shaking your head no, but you're still smiling.
Sometimes
you're saying no. You're saying
sometimes you gotta force yourself to smile so you don't cry.
Do we see the trade somewhere? I'm looking, but I don't see if there's lines or anything. There you go. It's your bot anyways, right?
Yeah. There you go. Take profit. Did we? We out? We good?
That's what you give us. You give us a microsecond of the trade. Oh, man. It was like...
look, I have to see my charts, man.
I wanted to watch it. That was fun. Okay.
Oh, my goodness.
I'll bug you next time. Your lines just kind of faded in, and then your take profit got hit.
You know that we are traders, right?
We are traders. We're a special...
And the whole trade lasted what? 10 seconds?
Yeah, 10 seconds.
Something, I don't know.
Let's go with 12 and a half.
All I know is it my take profit, went back up. So, whatever. I'm out. I don't care.
No. Stay in your bed. Stay in your bed.
No, I don't want to stay in my bed. You stay in your bed.
Come on. In your bed. There you go. Don't walk on my desk. We don't need you taking orders. Placing trades.
Was you watching yesterday when it went like 35, 40 points against me? I know I showed it yesterday.
I didn't see that, no.
See, I show the trade, you don't watch. I don't show the trade, you complain I didn't show the trade.
I wasn't here. I was busy ignoring you.
I know.
How did it go? Overall, the day yesterday was a green day? No, in your bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good day. I didn't even really look when I came back. I came back, you were still streaming. By the time I got on to say hello, you got off. It was just when you were getting off.
Around what, like 12 o'clock, I think?
Well, we haven't broken the pre-market highs or lows. We're just trading sideways, eh?
I was trying to find somewhere yesterday to take a trade on my master account, because I haven't traded that one in a few days.
Wow.
And couldn't really find anything I wanted.
We're like in a 40-point range here.
Yeah, it's real tight. 28-point range if you take the wicks out.
Yeah.
Well, those anomaly wicks. I don't want nothing to do with this, man. Bam, you still trading this? Long, short? What are you guys thinking?
You want to know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I got lucky.
You're thinking, damn, I'm glad I took those 20 trades right out the gate.
They're all green almost. I'm thinking I got lucky. I'll tell you what I'm doing later. Well, I don't have to save it for later. I'm trying to get all my...
touch 190. Bama's calling 190. Been holding the short. Bama, you've been holding through this. You had a few gray hairs today.
I want to switch all my Bulenox accounts to Platform X. Oh, shit. I got a long at 49.
You really liking that Platform X, huh?
Yeah, I do. Hey, shit, with a trade result copier, there's nothing you can... not only that, it fills you right on the open. It gives you full fills. There's never partial fills. Are you kidding? Insta fills. It's very quick. For a scalper, it's crazy.
Can I use my bot?
No. Unless, no, I don't even think you can. I really don't think you can. Besides, you know what? I don't know. I saw somewhere saying that Ninja Trader's going to stop allowing the use of bots, which I found an odd. You know, who knows if it's accurate? Just because you saw it doesn't mean it's.
Look, I got multiple accounts running off the bot, taking the order in the same order, and they're still a few dollars off.
Not sure what that.
I mean, you're going to be, your trades are going to be a little off.
Mm-hmm. Not sure what that means, Ruan. Bulenox will move everything for you to Platform X. Got that part. But the last 3 words, but not individual.
Maybe he's saying they'll move all your accounts at one time if you ask.
Oh, you are right. But they'll move
not
everything,
one account
but
here
not
or there.
One, yeah, not one. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, you're right about that.
You reading it.
Yep. No, you're right. I know that to be true. Actually, also, it's all the accounts. You can't have Platform X, and which I find weird, because... But anyways, I'm good with that. I'm ready to leave Ninja. I'm ready to fly from Ninja's nest.
No more bots?
I run the bots with Apex. I'll keep Apex on...
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you can always get Apex somewhere else. I can get Apex with the Take Profit Trader or somebody else. I'll always have a Ninja as long as Ninja's allowing it. I'll keep it going. But I do want to...
Tradeovate's supposed to be wanting to do a prop firm. But then I seen another guy did a video, said he couldn't find anywhere that was saying that. So,
no, I heard it was Ninja Trader that wanted to do it. That's why
Ninja Trader
who acquired
Tradeovate.
We got to find the answers to this.
One guy was saying somebody else acquired Ninja Trader.
Oh yeah.
I guess in the back end, they just keep selling out to other companies. He said the name of the company, but I never heard it before, so it
Let's
didn't
ask
stick with me.
GPT. Let's see if we can get some clarification.
It says, yep, Tradeovate starting one. I seen a couple guys saying that they were starting one, but then another guy said he couldn't find anything that said that. So, Ruin, did you get like an email or something saying that they were starting it, or you seen it from somebody making a video? Fan of Tradeovate, so I don't know what they do. That's been
Details.
We've known that for years. Who acquired NinjaTrader, and are they starting a prop firm?
Tradeovate has continued to operate as part of the NinjaTrader group. So is NinjaTrader going to try and open up a prop firm? Do you know anything about that? That's the 10 o'clock alarm. I think we do have speakers. I couldn't find any confirmed public statement that NinjaTrader is launching a full-fledged prop firm under its own banner.
Because it doesn't have to be NinjaTrader. They are still, though Tradeovate's owned by NinjaTrader, they are still kind of separate.
There's hints and chatter that they're considering it or preparing for it. What about Tradeovate if you looked under the Tradeovate name?
NinjaTrader's been talking about a prop firm. I think they keep leaking that information to see how people react about
it. It doesn't exactly look like Tradeovate itself, but part of a newly introduced prop brand architecture under the NinjaTrader Technologies umbrella. On October 1st, 2025, NinjaTrader Group, via its affiliate NT Technologies, announced the launch of NinjaTrader Prop and Tradeovate Prop, built specifically for prop traders. The announcement describes that these tools will support prop trading workflows, handling evaluations. The announcement says that Tradeovate will be available to top prop firms, meaning that rather than Tradeovate itself being a prop firm, that it is branded set of tools or a prop trader oriented layer under the Tradeovate branding.
I've seen something about one of the prop firms saying no more copy trading.
So basically, it just sounds like they're just rebranding or renaming their technologies, but they're still going to be leasing it out to the prop companies, the way it reads here from GPT.
So you was talking about NinjaTrader not allowing copy trading.
I just saw one video.
I heard it was one of the prop firms or something was saying no more.
Yeah, I just saw one video and I didn't even click on it. It was just a thumbnail.
Or I think what they were saying was it wasn't no more copy trading, but no more third-party copy traders, which NinjaTrader doesn't have a copy trader. So if you're on NinjaTrader, you wouldn't be able to copy trade.
Yeah, well, maybe they'll create one.
But I don't get how you tell people you can't copy trade. You know what it is they want the data. They don't want third-party application blocking the data. They don't want you trading between prop firms, copying between prop firms, and they want to be able to see the data.
Yeah. Well, I couldn't say what it is, but either way, they know the business inside out. So who knows? Maybe they're just strengthening their position among other prop firms.
Maybe.
As a licensed platform. and they want to get a little bit more control rather than going through rhythmic. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? But you know what? Maybe I'm going to investigate it and put out a video on it. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a collab with Omnius if I can get him to join me for a video. I'll post the first half, he'll post the second. Or he'll post the first half, I'll post the second. Or he'll post both.
Anybody watch videos anymore?
And I'll wonder why I don't get to post one of the sections.
Sent you a collab invite again yesterday. I don't think you answered it.
I did. I'll show you later. Well, I won't be able to. I got to leave, but I did. It's there. It's really weird. I don't even understand what it does, to be honest with you. It's the weirdest thing.
I can't find it to look at it.
Yeah, well, not now. Breaking lower.
How do you have tools and nobody can find them? That's it? We going somewhere? Bama, how you looking over there? Lost after being up because it just wants to be a bitch. Oh, man.
Oh, I think I may have got sucked in. Let me see what the Dow's doing.
Yeah, Bama, this market is a bitch.
Played a donkey.
Pushed up here and got you out, then dumped. One more push to be up. Maybe you got back in.
Regardless of what happens with this trade, you can play the donkey.
Nope, I only play the donkey if you lose.
I chase like a fool.
If you chase and win, it wasn't a chase in my book.
ES is breaking lower.
Kind of want to get in, but I don't know.
Well, what we do, we swept the lows from 932, 933.
Delta's dumping.
Just like we swept the highs a few minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago, and then reversed. That's why I said, and I shorted when we swept the lows. I said, wow, come on, that's all we're doing now is sweeping highs and sweeping lows in a 50-point range, basically. And I said, I took the bait.
I look at this chart and I just see look at this chart and I see a whole lot of people crying.
Yeah. And besides that, you can bounce. Now, if ES bounces off the close there, off the previous day's close, and NQ just swept the 930 low, it's going higher now.
It just went down nicely
for a bit. Yeah.
I don't know, man. I just like to not even be in the market like this. Give me something that's solid. I'll trade it, but you gotta give me something, man. I think we stare at the chart for so long, we're like, screw it, just give me something. Like, okay, this is a D setup. Look, I'll take it, whatever.
Well, I just took like I
think that's what gets us.
I took a C setup just now. Kind of hoping the selling continues. I took a 2-lot, but if it doesn't, I'm going to get out. I'm getting out at 38.
I don't think there's any A setups today. I think B setups are rare.
34. There you go. You got me. You got me. I thought we would come back down. Hey. There we go. Don't get excited. Don't run away from me.
A lot of trap sellers right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They almost caught me. That's why I said, play the donkey. I confessed. I did chase, and I chased at the worst possible spot. Just after sweeping a low. Especially on a day like today. Okay, so let's look again.
Donkey.
Miran next.
Don't chase the donkey.
I need one more push to be up.
One more push.
Whoa, look at ES. ES is really showing relative strength compared to, sorry, NQ is really showing relative strength compared to ES.
Whole thing's bipolar, you ask me. We think all this would push back up, make new high. Yep. We've been in these conditions for a little bit now. I mean, you gotta, I don't know, try to find a decent setup. You see profit, definitely take it on these days. Fucking crazy. Fuck this market. Bama, was you still short? Bama, this market is crazy. I would say lower position size. I don't know. These all-time high is tough, man. It's tough for all of us.
Yeah, well, like Joker says, markets go up with the stairs.
I came out on top in that, but I'm down on the day. Yep, that's all I think we can do, man, is just try to find the best setups we can get and hope for the best.
What?
I think market conditions like this with these all-time highs, you can see here, makes the high, barely makes a new high, dumps, barely makes a new high, dumps.
Exit.
Goes back up, barely makes a new high, dumps. Back up, barely makes a new high. Actually, it wants to dump. Now it's pushing back up. It may still dump. Like this is tough conditions. We just got to survive it. Lower size. If you're copy trading, maybe not copy trading. If you're trading a mini, maybe trade some micros.
Yeah, that's the key, lower size.
But I would say if anybody else got something they think will help, let us know. Shout it out. Look at the CBD as it's done this. Makes no sense. Bama, where do you look at the CBD at? You got the cumulative volume delta indicator, something like that.
Well, I haven't put that up on my chart yet.
There's a few different like setups for it. Got the delta percentage. I think there's even like a profile that's got it. Looking at Bookmap. Yeah, Bookmap. It's probably the best place to look at it.
Nice.
think if I remember, in Bookmap it draws a line, doesn't it?
Let's go one more push. Let's go.
Let me look up Bookmap.
Okay.
Bam, are you watching it on YouTube or do you have Bookmap? See if I can find it. You have it? Sweet.
Right up the previous day's high at 25,253. No close above. Oh yeah, no, there was one close above on the. Oh, actually, it's true. I'm on a hiking actually. I don't even know really.
These guys show Bookmap, but like, what symbol are they on?
It's a Ninja Trader chart. It marks the close. Okay, we did close above it, but this
that one's NQ. How do people look at this stuff? Can't see it. I'm looking at people on YouTube, and they have all these indicators overlapped. It literally just looks like a heartbeat monitor or something. Assume this line is the deal. All right, I'll find somebody else.
Hey, he's a good boy.
Mike, all you gotta do is buy Bookmap and stream Bookmap, man. 300 something people watching. The other one's 300 something people watching. Okay, NQ. Assuming that line at the bottom is the cumulative delta.
Well, if I have to consult my crystal ball is saying that I think ES is going to lead the charge lower. I feel like ES is going to break previous day's close. VWAP is right there too also. I think it's going to trade down to its moving average, which is another 5-ish points away.
Bama, that's how yours looks. You see it? Yeah. Like, I'll stream a stream of another guy's stream doing Bookmap.
You're going to stream a stream of another guy's stream?
I'm getting in trouble. I'm going to quit that shit.
That's a puzzle right there. I'm going to stream the stream of another guy's stream.
I will say a Bookmap's addicting. Like, you get to looking at it and it kind of feels weird not looking at it.
Yeah.
I better quit that before I get in trouble. I think that's in the no-no list.
Probably. Actually, it is. I do remember someone was. No, I do remember now. Actually, someone was doing that. There was some, maybe it might have been beginner trading or Patrick Wieland or who knows, Nutty Bar. I don't remember, but someone out there in YouTube land was streaming. You're not gonna. Come on. I don't need a lot. Push lower. Lower my size. Someone was doing that, showing either the heat map or something. And I remember they stopped because they were told they weren't allowed. Sparky, off my desk. No. And I remember I actually went to the original source. He said what the original source is, says he can't show it anymore. So if you still want to watch it, go to the guy's stream. Yeah, because you're kind of stealing his traffic, eh? If you're showing it also.
Yeah, you can't stream another guy's stream.
That's where you want to lie down.
I remember when people first started showing Bookmap. Bookmap was like going after people.
Yeah, I remember that too.
Showing their software. I guess they gave up. People were like, "No, you can't stream Bookmap. They'll go after you."
I don't know how you can say you can't do that.
I thought that was weird because wouldn't that be the same thing as like streaming any other platform?
Yep. You
It'd be
can't
like
stream
Ninja
and
Trader
show show Internet Explorer. You won't be able to stream and show anything.
It'd be like Ninja Trader saying, "Oh, you can't stream and show Ninja Trader." But yeah, they used to go after people for streaming Bookmap.
I mean, I get the logic. It's because people
it's a paid service.
Yeah, it's a paid service. It would be kind of like streaming live quotes, so nobody pays for quotes.
I get it. It's kind of a gray area there.
You don't look more comfortable. I don't know what you're doing.
I hope y'all are finding better trades than I am.
No, I took a couple of impulsive trades, but I have to stop. Like I said, I didn't really explain what I'm doing but I want to get all my accounts over the 50,000 level, because I think that's the requirement for Bulenox to move it to Platform X. Otherwise, I lose the account. So that's what I'm working on today, basically.
What I don't understand is their platforms. Why do they have to move it from one to the other?
I don't know.
If you have an account with them, why can't you just use whatever platforms they offer?
I have no idea.
Unless it's different data. I understand the data.
Yeah, I think it is actually different data. Number one. Two, server-side issues, tracking issues, because they shut down accounts if you hit the trailing stop loss. So I'm sure there's a little bit of back end on that and how that works.
Yeah.
Come on. 8.9. It's 1020 and the ATR is 8.9. That's discouraging.
Pretty much untradeable. I mean, unless you just see that great setup to take or something. I don't know. Y'all see it, let me know. I might jump in. Another one of those days where you just close your eyes and click a button. I bet the coin flip probably beat all of us today.
I'm going to have a monitor crashing down to the ground.
All right, I'll be back in a minute. If I'm not back in 1 minute, you know what to do, right?
Uh-huh. Wait another minute.
Yep.
No, Sparks, can't go there. Let's go, Dow. I'm shorting the Dow. Make me proud. Dump 20 points. Okay, Sparks, you're going to spill my coffee. Okay, you've just inspired me to run a poll. I have a good poll for you guys. Hold on, let me find it. We already know the answer to this one. No, stop inching forward. I see you. Let's go down. Push lower. I'm shorting the Dow. Can anybody tell? There we go. Give it to me. That's it. You're not going another inch. That's a small win, but it's still a win. It still got me over the threshold. Yeah, I'm moving my coffee. You look like you're moving in. You look like you're moving in. Sparky, you're going to burn yourself. Wow, there goes Dow. Anything else that we can see? Yeah, well, ES is pushing under, moving to the moving average that Omnius talks about. We did get under the previous day's close. We did get under view up. What I'd be curious to see is how correlated the Dow and the ES are. That's probably more interesting than in Q. And you know what? I'm going to put up a Dow chart over here as a 5-minute duplicate and new tab. I'm just curious to see that. For a while, I'm going to take a look at that. MES, M, M, and I'll be able to switch back and forth between the two. Let me just change the labeling.
Who are you talking to?
My cat. I posted a poll, go and vote.
I don't do votes. They're all rigged.
But bring your ID.
I gotta have my ID to vote.
My poll, my rules.
Well, I need a third option. I always vote for myself.
Wow, okay, so it's not identical.
Hey, look, if I go to vote for president and I vote for myself, technically I'm a presidential candidate, right?
Yep. If you're on the ballot.
Well, I don't know about in Canada, but in the U.S., you have a write-in section.
Do you really?
Yeah, I don't have that?
I have no idea. I'm not a big voter.
Next time you look, maybe you'll put your own name in there. Like, well, I want these people to be president. They suck. I don't want these people.
Yeah, I don't think we have that. But I can't confirm.
Bama says, I'm trading overnight tonight. That's the only time we're getting anything worth trading. Yeah, it seems like it, Bama. It really does. Let's take a look. Give us something to do. Take this one off. Take this one off.
I'm trading desperate.
That was the move right there, huh? What was that? About 720 to market open. Uh-oh. We're getting movement?
Well, yeah. Yes. Remember I said yes. It looks like it wants to break. If I had to pull out my crystal ball.
I think that was the first high volume I've heard today. Did you hear it? Or you don't listen to the stream?
No. But like I said, ES really looked like it wanted to break below previous day's close and view up, and it did. Said the next target is the moving average on the 5-minute. We're there now. Maybe even a little bit below it.
Goes, huh? Bam, you still in short?
We might
Get
see
it. I
some
hope
continued
somebody's getting
weakness
it.
here.
We're gonna get some movement? No. I mean, it'd take a lot to hold all that, huh?
You know what? I can make an argument for an NQ bounce here because we just swept the 1005 lows.
We got a little support there. Could see an argument. I mean, I don't want to go counter trend.
Hey. Okay, now you've overstayed your welcome. Come on. Up.
Hey, you leave Sparky alone. I'm gonna tell your daughter. She the one that sticks up for Sparky.
So do I, but he's pushing my monitor off the desk.
He's trying to tell you that this shit sucks and you can't trade it. Oh, we're at VWAP also, right? So we're at VWAP. What else we got?
What was that? 1030 initial balance.
Imbalance.
Not much of an initial balance, or not much of a opening range for initial balance.
The imbalance. I have an imbalance indicator showing an imbalance, but there's no imbalance. Weird.
VWAP is holding NQ, but NQ ES is pushing lower. I think NQ is going to make again another push to the downside if ES continues to trade lower. Dow is continuing to trade lower.
Push right back up.
That was a nice trade on the Dow. I got to learn to hold the Dow better.
You trading Dow again?
Yeah, I took a couple of trades in the Dow. They all did well. Didn't lose
You got
one.
chart up? Show us the chart.
No, I deleted it. Give me a sec. Let me get out of this here. I moved
Look at
it.
my own chart then. What is it? YM, right?
No, here it is. I'll put it up. I just moved it to
And I go MYM? Is that what you on?
MYM. It's pretty much straight down after 9:35. Kind of like ES, almost.
Seeing this break right here, I'm thinking, yeah, could have took that trade
And
today.
if you compare it to NQ, it's a lot smoother.
Nice break right there. Retest there.
A lot easier to trade.
Be Dow traders for a few months.
I
Well,
I just gotta make
how
sure.
many points do you go for?
I don't know. I'm not structured yet on the Dow. I'm still getting a feel for it.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you, let's say 20, 30. Sometimes even as little as 15. They're not long holds. But I'm starting to get such a confidence in it that, it's going to go, and I got to watch that because that confidence can hurt me one time. Because I'll catch the reversal point, and then it'll just keep going against me. So I have to know where my stop is all the time before I enter that trade. I'm pretty much using the swings. Again, you know, like a three bar swing. That's my stop. So if I'm short, the most recent swing high would be where I stop out. Not a wick though, a close.
Just looking at this NQ chart makes me nauseous.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to pull out my crystal ball again and say that since we just swept the 10 o'clock lows, we're probably going to head right back up to previous day's high at 25,253. And the reason why I say that is because ES also swept the overnight lows, or sorry, what I call the pre-market lows. So it could give it a reason to bounce, and it did consolidate there for, wow, you know what?
Wow.
Talking to me?
Judge, you know what?
Yeah, I see ES bouncing here. Put up a 5-minute chart of ES. Look
Guys,
at what
he's like, you know what? And like, what? He's like, you talking to me?
Yeah. But
You're the one that said, you know what?
Take a look at the ES chart between midnight and 2 in the morning. And then 5 to 7. It's all at this level right here. So ES will probably bounce, and that bounce will at least stop. Yes, the decline will stop. We found some support, so
Yeah.
it's given me a even bigger argument for NQ going up to 253, because that's what NQ's been doing all day today. Just wicking, sweeping.
So what are we looking for? A nice boner candle?
No, I don't think so. Slow pain. Boner candle people bail out of when it just grinds slow. It gives everyone false hope that it's not going to continue.
Could see a short here, but I don't know if I want to short in the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
We got 8, about 10 points.
Hey, what's up, Butterstunts?
Butterstunts,
How's
good
trading
morning.
going? Butterstunts, I don't know if you've been around. Take a look at the Dow. We're all screaming Dow at the, well, maybe we're not all doing it. I'm screaming.
Joker, good morning.
Hey, Joker. I'm screaming trade the Dow. It's such a smooth trading market. Oh, so I was wrong about NQ. And ES.
Dump it. Butters, Joker, how's the trading been today? Anybody else think this market's kind of bipolar? Just wouldn't activate me. Does that mean Bama wouldn't get you in the trade?
Yeah, that's what I would guess. You guys know that. I'm built different. Blew my account the other day after a 2K month. Haven't been able to wake up for pre-market this week. Ooh. Sorry to hear that, Butters.
Trying to sell the pullback.
Took a nice
I wanted to, but it was at the VWAP, so I was kind of cautious about it.
It's not funny, but it's crazy how we make human error when we're trading also. Coming up to previous day's close. Yeah, it is. And I'm playing with fire because my cat is starting to get very comfortable on my desk, lying down near the keyboard, using his back paws to kick my monitor.
Yeah, that's the level you was looking for, wasn't it? Yeah, that's.
It's funny. It's almost an obvious day to trade today. These moves look kind of obvious. The problem is they're counter trend trades, and I don't want to do that anymore. I had a long set to pick me up. 165 missed me by 6 points. This morning it went straight to target for 100 points. Yeah, what Butters was talking about, you know what? I really would like to try and set up some kind of system or something with the Discord where people can organize and get what do you call it, an accountability partner, and work together in their trading. I really think it'll avoid all those account blowups. No. I really think it could help if the two people are committed to it to prevent account blowups. Because if two people really work close together, I think
Talking about the buddy
and they
system?
trust each other. And yeah, the buddy system, but you got to be in touch. You know, it's not like you tell each other at the end of the day. If you can, you know, kind of have the person in your ear and talk and be transparent, not be shy, not have an ego and afraid to tell them you're making an error or you're doing something stupid, you know. But you also got to be self-aware. You got to know, like, you know, when I said I just took an impulsive trade or I chased, you know, you have to confess and admit all your sins as they're happening, and give the person permission, the other person, your accountability partner, to say get out, or to say you've hit your personal daily, your daily loss limit, get out. You set the rules, but the accountability partner monitors to make sure you're following them and has the authority to say, you know, close down, take a walk, whatever. Almost like the way Alcoholics Anonymous does it, I think. You know, I mean, I don't know. I've never been there, but, you see it in the movies where they call somebody in the middle of the night. You know, I got a bottle of vodka on my table, and the person says, you know, spill it down the sink.
Is that going to be our homework, to go to Alcoholics Anonymous and see how they do it? We go there as traders and sit down and be like, we're futures traders. And
they'll throw you out. That's
we're master traders.
Master traders.
Have a problem.
We're master traders.
We need accountability partners, and we're hoping to get some tips from y'all. Hey, I think that'd be great. I think it'd be fun, man. Y'all want to do it? Let's go.
I would go with you. I swear I would go with you. It's too bad we don't live in the same city. But we would laugh. We would look like fools. Yeah, I do have that project to work, I guess, to set that up. But the problem is you're going to get so many people who are uncommitted. You know, you're going to get so many people who are just kicking the tires. They're going to sign up and hook up with someone and then not do it right. And of course, I can't monitor them all, so it's going to get frustrating. It's hard to do. It's hard to get organized.
See another short.
You pretty much need to be sitting side by side for it to work optimally, the way I had it when my son was trading beside me. A short, yeah, I would say yes. Look, we broke below VWAP, 2 consecutive closes, got a full candle below. The only thing that's in the way is, if I'm reading my charts right, is the
5-minute moving average.
No, what you call the Globex Open, what I call the previous day's close.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure they're in most cases, in most days, they're at the same place. But Butters, you can set it up with anybody. I mean, even I used to use my wife. I used to print out all my results for the day. And, you know, I would talk to my wife and show it with my wife. Problem is she doesn't understand markets, so it was hard for her to contribute as an accountability partner. You know, like she doesn't know when she should say, you know, she wasn't able to contribute and say, oh, you know, that was something you shouldn't have done, or you went too far on this.
Bama, what do you think about this area here for a bounce with all these point of controls?
I got a short at 93. Let's see if we can get like 86, 88,
Got it, but
90.
it's risky. You know, everything's risky today, I guess.
89,
Give me
89.
something.
Come on, give me 88 even. I'll just take 88.
A volume area. Now I don't want to go.
What are we short at again? 93, 7.
Yeah, we are fighting that 5-minute moving average.
On NQ. I gotta watch the time.
No, just fuck it. You don't want to go. Just get me out. Go pull your flex volume over that rollover.
1, 2, 3, 4. You got out. I think you're short and I'm short. I'm counting to 10, assuming you made the 10-second error. But no, it didn't work out that way this time. Didn't work out that time. There's 10. You didn't miss out on anything.
Emma, what are you talking about? Go pull the flex volume. Go pull your flex volume over that rollover.
It almost sounds like go Patrick yourself.
That's what I was about to
Go pull your flex volume.
You can pull your flex volume over your head. Funny. Butters, wish I had my guy CK there.
To help him on that day when he blew his account.
Yeah.
Okay, I got out. It
Flex
didn't work out for
volume
me.
profile on the previous rollover in that area.
Well, Butters, what I would tell you, if you're curious to try it out in some shape or form, and I'd be curious also to see how it works, I'd be willing to try and do it with you on some level. Maybe we wouldn't be in each other's ears all the time, you know, because we're streaming, but find a way to be in contact. And, you know, just like when I took my impulsive trade, or actually, I won't call it was a chase today. It was an impulsive trade, but it was a chase. So it was a combination of the two. When I took that, I did announce it, and unfortunately I stayed in it, and it did work out for me, but I shouldn't have. I should have gotten out right away as soon as I realized it was a chase. I mean, look at what at that point, all the all the NQ was doing was just wicking the high, going lower, wicking the low, going higher. And I chased just after we wicked the low like an idiot, like a chazno. But yeah, even if it's on a temporary basis, I'd be so curious to try that out with somebody else. But again, it needs full transparency. You know, you can't be shy and want to hide what you did, and like it's not going to work if you're like that. You have to be completely open and honest. Yeah. It's tough. It's tough to even want to pump the brakes, even if the person's in your ear. The first time, even the second time. And I'm just going by one case. And that one case I know was my son. The first time, it was hard to get him. I don't think I got him the first time, maybe not even the second time. The third time, though, by the third time for sure, I had him doing it. And because I told him, you have to do it one time to see how you feel the next day, not to see how you feel now, because now you're fuming. You need a night to pass, and you got to see how you feel. Tomorrow, you're going to ask yourself, was it the right decision? And it you know, like it clearly was. He said, "Oh my God, yeah." At the time, it wasn't. I was just, I wanted to push you off your chair so I can continue. But now he sees that it's right. And I got to tell you, that's basically how I'm trading now. I would say 95% of the time. Still not 100, but it used to be only about, I'm going to be honest with you. I think it wasn't even 10 or 20% of the time. It may have looked like I was in control because nothing bad was happening, but I was exposing myself to danger. So if the market had gone, it would have hurt my accounts. It just didn't because I'm a quick scalper. But I was exposing myself to danger almost every day. Now I just don't do it anymore. I still catch myself a couple of times in a week, and I say, "Oh, Mike, I can see how your brain is thinking, and you're thinking that you're going to add if it goes against you, as opposed to just taking your $70 loss or your $80 loss." Stop on the book always. Yeah. But sometimes I tell myself, that's what I was saying, the Dow was a pretty smooth market to trade. And I'm saying to myself, I can get caught believing that it'll just continue on its merry way. And if I catch a reversal point and I get that in my head, I'll blow an account.
Butters,
so be
anniversary today. Happy anniversary.
Whose anniversary? Did I miss?
What anniversary you on?
Wedding anniversary.
How long I've been married? Been married so long I don't even know how long.
You got quiet all of a sudden.
Who, me?
Yeah. I got to do a sound check. I don't know. You were much louder in my mic before.
Didn't change anything.
Well, now you're better. Maybe you were pointing away from the mic. Happy anniversary,
Maybe.
Butters. But anyways, the offer's out there, Butters, if you want to try it on some scale and, see if it works, where it's still not interfering in your trading, not distracting. But here's the other problem. You're trading in the evening, you're trading in the afternoon. I'm trading in the afternoon, or I'm trading at 9 o'clock. You're not around, or I'm not around. That's one of the problems. Oh, what just happened? Not easy to organize that thing. The logistics.
Bammy, on the 30-minute chart. It's about the same, isn't it? What are you, Oh, you got the flexible volume profile. Yours is showing more volume around here.
Come on. Give one more push.
I think mine's a daily.
Sorry. Yeah. What do you want?
Bam, I think you got yesterday in it also.
86. Can we get down to 80? You know what else also hurt me a lot, which I still fight on a daily basis, adding to my trade. You know, I see the trade go a little bit against me and I have the temptation to add to it because now, oh, you know, if it just moves a little bit in my favor, I'll be at break even. I can take my add piece off and I've improved my price. And yeah, it works most of the time, but adding clipped me a little bit too much. It's also something now I fight internally not to do. When it's yeah, that's the best ad. Yeah, that's the best ad. I love those. Those are my favorite.
Yeah.
The ones that I know are dangerous is when I don't have a stop in mind. So the question is, how is it you don't have a stop in mind? Simple. It's an impulsive trade. I'm not trading my system.
And I don't know why my profile and yours are different because mine's got the volume up here. And yours has the volume down here. Must be something in the way it's set up.
88. Is that 88 or is that 86? No, that's 86. 93. I'll sell it around 92. 91.50. Let's see if I can get an entry just for one. Just got to get
the
my
other one
account
I sent. Yeah, I think it's the newest one.
a little bit higher.
Yeah, it's the newest one.
Give me 5 points. 91. Give me an 86.
Kind
87.
of looks like that. Maybe you're only going to the top of the movement.
I will wait. What's the Dow doing? Dow's trading sideways. ES trading sideways. NQ looks like it wicked the previous day's close. Looks like it kind of could be forming a pattern to go higher, but no. There we go. Okay. Last but not least.
Shaded area.
Looking for a long if we close above 211.
Yeah, Bam, I see where you got your box. But when I put my box out like that, it's showing all the volumes up here. Pull it back like this. Seems to show it more like what yours looks like. Might also be in the way that it's calculating the profile. Joker says looking for a long if we close above 211.
Looking for love, not long.
Looking for love.
All wrong places. We got below previous day's close, but we're going back up to it. Now we're back above it. We closed below it, though. That candle closed below it. Let's see what we do. Interesting. Interesting. Below previous day's close. I mean, above previous day's close, but below view up.
So, Bama, you looking for a long in this area?
The hell spot. You know what? Maybe I can save a day. Maybe I could save a day.
What day you saving?
That's funny. Today, a day. I'm going to contact Bulenox just to inquire about the rule again, to confirm it. Maybe I'll get my Project X all up and running by tomorrow. We'll see.
What were you asking them about?
Huh?
What rule are you going to ask them about?
Oh, if all the accounts are ready to go. If they meet the qualification.
Does NT timeout? I don't know. Bama. Yeah, that's more like how it was looking on my chart. We got.
Shit. No, we gotta wait.
It's back here, isn't it? Yeah, that looks more like mine there. Logged out and logged back in. It was more accurate. That's weird. Maybe you're not doing tick data, which means you'd have to wait for candle close, maybe.
Missed the
Mike,
trade.
on NinjaTrader.
Yep.
If you're on a 30-minute chart with, say, a volume profile, and it's not loading the most recent data on the volume profile, what are your thoughts on that?
I have no idea. I don't know that NinjaTrader has a refresh. The one thing I would do is, again, clear the cache. Close down NinjaTrader, clear the cache, and
NinjaTrader does have a reset.
A refresh, it does? Yeah, I'm not aware of one.
Reload all historic data.
That, yeah.
It's a refresh. Yeah.
I've never used it. I'm not exactly sure how it does. Where do I find that? In tools?
Right click on chart. Should be down almost towards the bottom. Not quite, but almost towards the bottom. Right click.
Okay. So what does that do?
Control Shift R.
Yeah, I'll do that on MYM. I don't want to do it on my NQ because NQ has a lot of charts, but MYM just has one. Let's see what it does. Loading.
Bama, you could try that.
Calculating. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it did loading and calculating. So yeah, it ran through the process of, that's pretty much a refresh.
I don't know why they don't just call it a refresh.
Yeah.
Everybody always wants a refresh. They have it. They just won't tell you.
Interesting.
If you think it's not loading the most recent, I don't know how to act. Try it on something different, I guess. Where is it? Grab this chart. Can we put it over here? Wait 5 seconds. There we go. If I can get in the screen, can you? There you go. There, right click. So you'll right click on the chart. I gotta go super high so you can try to get in the screen. It says reload all historical data. Control Shift R. Try it. I would try it on a chart that's not important first. See how it acts. Make sure it's not messing your stuff up. But it's weird that it wouldn't do that. I don't know if you have to. So for NinjaTrader, you have to select on your each chart whether you want it to be tick data or not. Most of the time it's turned off because for historical. Right, Mike, that's just for historical data, right?
Yep.
So if it's live in the market, it should be fine. But if you're drawing backwards or something, then you might have to have tick data enabled. and which takes up an extreme amount of resources. And normally crashes Ninja Trader.
Holy shit.
Another thing you might be able to do, Bama, if you think it's not showing properly on something like a volume profile, you might be able to just change the drawing a little bit and have it recalculate. What are we doing? We're still going down?
Mm.
Seems like we got nice pullbacks, but every one of them like went into something.
Yeah.
Like, can we get a pullback that don't lead into a death trap? Now it's just dumping. Capitulation.
Yeah, markets did look like they were weak. I mean, not at the open. At the open, they looked like they were strong, but as the trading day progressed, it did look like the foundation of strength was eroding.
Support we got? Any kind of supports coming up? $28, $22, and $110. Break through, or do we get the bounce? Once again, we rejected the small high and rejection again. We're back to the same area where we've been getting these violent rejections. This could dump all the way down to 25,000.
Mm.
We look back, I mean, that's historically what's been happening. We just blew right through the support.
Wow, that was a quick shit ton of points on that short.
Edge of low smashed. Yeah, was that the edge of low we just smashed through?
Yeah, you see, it just got really quiet now again. Did you turn your head?
No. Must be Discord.
What's up, Sparks?
Can you hear me now?
I do, but a little quieter, a little muffled. Well, I don't think it's me because
Still hear me? I'm redlining, man. What are you talking about quieter?
you just got a shit ton quieter. Hold on, let me look at my go speak.
No, I'm not speaking.
No,
Giving
I
you
don't know.
Giving you a silent treatment.
Excuse me. Maybe my headphones are breaking because I'm not doing anything, and your volume just went from high to low. All on its own.
Just blew right through any type of support, anything.
See, the thing is, I used to see you on my screen, but now you're covered with the Dow chart. I've replaced you with the Dow chart. Hey, way to go, Skeletor. Yeah, that was a heck of a move down, eh? And ES, previous day's lows right here.
Damn. Bama, why we didn't catch this move? Ain't no way I could have held that. I'd have been chopped out so many times.
Dave? All good? What was that noise? Were you using the printer? You finish work soon? Oh, I thought you were with, I thought you were working today. Oh boy, you know what this is looking like to me?
Market crash, end of society, all's hopeless.
But a sell-off.
Oh. I was just going by some of the titles I've been seeing on YouTube.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'm just going to jump in. What do we got? 10 points?
Just make sure you have a stop. Hey?
Press the button, close your eyes.
I said make sure you have a stop.
I always have a stop.
Good man. The range is not insane. ATR 29. It's not like, you know,
That's
70.
bouncing again. Why the fuck are we bouncing? Oh my goodness. Now it'll go. Sell everything. Sell your car. Your home.
Did you say sell your car?
That's what Skeletor said. LOL, end of the world. It's been all over YouTube, man. You ain't seen it? The sky's falling. The sky's falling. The sky's falling.
Always falling. That's the problem. Right now, I think the trick is just to make sure to focus on shorts, not try to catch a small move up.
Why you say that as it's going up?
Because I have the habit of doing that, and then I get caught. So I'm saying, okay, I want to catch. This is where it's going to bounce, and it goes against me. And I say, okay, I'll just hold for the next bounce. I won't get out, and then it crumbles, and I'm just talking myself out of repeating the same mistakes that hurt me the most.
I feel like the past 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 days have all been the same. They just chop out of nowhere, and then we just dump. Like trying to get in. At least I keep my losses super small and really only need a trade or two. Oh, I told everybody how you wouldn't let me call it break even on Friday. Oh no, you're down $20. That's still red. No, that's break even to me.
What's the matter, you?
Skeletor done for the day. Sweet.
88. Targeting 81. 5 points better. It's a good trade. I'll take it.
Long or short?
Short, and I'm out. Let me fix your thing here. Sparky, you lost your voice, eh?
Dump it. Dump it. Going the wrong way.
89.
Mike, tell them they're going the wrong way.
Yep, going the wrong way. I'm watching closely.
Dump it.
I'm watching closely. You want to go with me later for the drive, Dave?
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, no. We'll pick up Timmy's or Wendy's. It's nice. It's through the country, eh?
All right. It beat me up a little bit.
Okay, no big deal. I mean, I'm good either way. I think it's L'Assomption. Ah, for the railings and the gate for the deck.
Is that on the wrong thing?
Yep.
It may not have been on the wrong scene. All right, I took a trade there. Beat me up there. Yeah.
Is the Dow doing this? It doesn't look like the Dow is. This ain't happening in the Dow, eh? That's funny. How interesting.
What happened to the Dow?
Nothing. That's so funny. I got to put up the charts, really. I got to get them both up where I can switch back and forth.
Isn't that crazy? Imagine a market where you just buy the pullbacks and it just goes.
I love this kind of volatility. It's so easy to make money. Easy for me to get into trouble also. That's why I'm talking myself through the trades. I do not want to get myself into trouble. Swing the bet. Instead of getting a single, get a double or triple. Take it. And
I'm walking down the road later and I see some guy wearing a shirt that says, "That's why I trade the Dow." I'm going to trip him.
Little ling. 11:15. What is this? Is that a short entry? Yes, it is. 02. Can I get in it better than 02? 99, 98, 96, 95. Yeah, but I needed a price better than 02, and that's it. It's the ability to do that's over. It's done.
Can't trade this. Just get me out. I don't even want to be in it. Leave me alone.
I think I'm getting sick.
Go.
It's the funniest
you mother
thing.
beach. Bama said he's out. We're all tired of being punished for the day. Bama, I can't trade this stuff. Can't do it. What the hell? Somebody call in Q and say, "Bitch, you bipolar." Bama, see you later.
Take care, Bama.
Everybody took off?
You know what I think also why it's quiet? It gets quiet. When the markets get quiet, the activity on YouTube gets quiet also, eh?
Mm-hmm. Ruin's still here. Ruin, what you want to talk about? Give us something to take our mind off of this absolutely horrible price action. Did have an inside bar on the 5-minute. You know, we could take a long off of that.
I disagree with the horrible price action. I like it. We got a good dump down for 185, 130 points.
Amazing full moon pump for crypto. Yeah, my wife was telling me yesterday it was a super moon or something. I walked out and looked at it. I mean, it looked like a moon.
It was. There's a couple of them. The super moons are big, but there's also, I think, what they call the red moon or the blood red moon. When the moon's a little bit orange or yellowish.
6 October. Yeah, that was yesterday. It's like it was 6 October. That was yesterday. I had to look at my the date on my computer. My wife was telling me, she's like, it's supposed to be a super moon. I'm sad it's cloudy out. We can't see it. And then a few hours later, I walked outside and clear skies. Like, oh, you see the moon perfect.
Come on, let's get down to 95.
You want to trade?
Yeah, short at 08, trying to get down to 95. Not that good 08, but maybe I'll 2, 6, 16. An 8-point stop loss. Watching it really close. My finger's on the close button. I'm not even gonna bail on the I'll get out here. 03. I'll take 5 points. I'll take 5 points. I should have held for 95 though. 98.
Long 2 days before the full moon.
93. There we go. That was 10 points I threw away. 10 points.
You get your trade?
Say that again?
Did you get your trade?
Yeah. Well, I got out at 03. I was holding for 95, but I took 5 points at 03, and then like 4 seconds later, it's already below 95. Doesn't matter. Still was green. Right now, I'm focused on not letting the market do damage, so I got to be careful because the markets are a little jumpy right now.
Yeah, I don't want any more damage. Down a little bit for the day on those accounts. Stupid Mother Beach market. They love you. Bruin, how did the crypto trade go? You got in it 2 days before, so 3 days ago. Did see that they were pushing this inside bar again. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it. I don't like counter trend, but I think Delta's push. I think I gotta try it. Terrible counter trend trader.
Yeah, I'm not doing it anymore. I'm done. My days of counter trend trading are over.
Just go, man. Just go. Problem is the ATR got big now, and my stop loss is like so small. It's gonna stop me out. You quit. I'm gonna go be a roofer. Yep, 4th got in and yesterday got out. Good as always. Thanks. Sweet. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. Yesterday or the day before, looked at well, yesterday was Monday, so yeah, it'd be yesterday. Looked at Bitcoin all-time high. I'm like, damn, again? Crypto's been killing it, man. Nasdaq, let's be honest. You know you want to go. We got the setup. All you have to do is go. Push.
Push? You need a push? I can help you with that.
Goodness.
Push. Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was
I think it's going to go. The stop loss is just too tight. There it went. Fuck off. Oh, it literally ticked me out. I was going to go. Oh. Whatever. Literally ticked me out.
Maybe not. Maybe not gonna go. It's coming back down.
All right. I got beat up twice in a row. I'm gonna have to take a break. Give it a few minutes. Kind of felt like we got all that movement. We wanted to keep some good movement going. Maybe I got too excited. Still think we break above this 5-minute inside bar, which we did twice, but then it just ticks above it and dumps back down.
Yeah.
I think we get a good candle above it. We're still going to push back up.
Tightening up. I wonder if that was the catalyst for that was somebody speaking. It started at around 11 o'clock. I think we had a speaker at 11 o'clock. Let me see.
How about
11
that?
o'clock. No, consumer inflation, if it came out. Yeah, it did come out. Inflation a little bit higher, 3.4%. Consensus was 3.1%. And in 5 minutes at 11:30, Fed Kashkari is speaking.
11 o'clock. Oracle lost $100 million from NVIDIA Blackwell rentals. I mean, Oracle and NVIDIA dumped. Dump again. Dump it, dump it, dump it. What happened to Mike? Mike, you go away? You go to sleep? Didn't even say, hey, I'll be back in a minute. Did catch some of that dump there, so that was sweet. Got back some of my lost.
I'm back. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, it worked. Okay, that's good.
Quietly, huh?
Quietly what?
Like you being awfully quiet. I look over, you gone.
Ah, no, it was gone.
You snuck away.
Yeah, and it's pouring rain here today. I have to go for a drive. That's the thing I was saying. I got to leave at 11:45. But I don't know if I want to go in the rain.
It's just rain.
Yeah, but it's up in the country, and I wanted to enjoy a nice ride, a nice sunny day. 74.
Been raining every day at my house. Sucks because the kids are in soccer and they haven't been able to do anything in over a week. Practices are canceled, games are canceled, everything's canceled. Did catch a trade though. You missed my trade.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to take any more, but then I seen the Delta dump. I was like, all right, we got to jump in here.
67.
Made back some of my
Get lost.
At least put me back into a position where I may be able to take another trade. You know, you got that number and you're like, I'm kind of getting close to that number. I can't trade no more. Wanted to go for a wider take profit, but I needed something. I had to book something, Mike.
Oof.
I had to get that number down a little bit.
I know the feeling. It's not the right thing to do, though, but I know the feeling.
I don't give a shit what the right thing to do is. I got to be able to manage my account. That's the right thing to do. Everyone's like, oh, no, don't do it. No, manage your account. Everything else is secondary to that. Protecting your account. That's your first job. I need like 10 rules to be a better trader. I think rule number, protecting your account is going to be pretty high up there. All right, I'll be back in a minute.
What? Never seen that in my life. Wow, nice move down. Holy shit, look what's on Omnius' screen. It's like the monster from the other side. The cloud of D. I don't know. This is really, 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 really smelling like a dump day. Only thing that's making me say maybe not is because the Dow is not following. The Dow is not following at all. You know what? Let me put it over here. Duplicate a new tab. Not over here. Let's get rid of this one. We don't need it here. Let's put it up here.
So I was thinking when I was gone, maybe I didn't tell you about the trade properly.
Oh, I was going to say, maybe I didn't exit the trade. I came back.
No, I said I took the profit early. I moved to take profit. I don't know if you heard that part. So take profit's normally what, 21 points? I moved it about 10 points. So it would have been about 30, 35 points.
Yeah.
And then I wind up taking the trade at about 18 or 20 or something like that. So the win did cover the last loss. So it's not like I took it for like 5 points. So I feel like there was a difference there. That's why I had to clarify.
Yes, Bark. Yeah, I'm coming. Give me a second. It's pouring rain here. Did I say that?
I think so.
Yes, I did. No, it ruined my day, man. I was looking forward to my drive, to be honest with you.
We going on a mountain drive?
No, I got to go pick up some stuff, but it's, up in the country, so it was going to be a beautiful ride. If the sun was shining. Yeah, I know. It's been 3 minutes.
So I was thinking of some improvements on my bot. I don't know if I told you about what I was thinking about.
I don't think so.
I don't know if I can do it. I know I've said that many times. I'm going to try. My 2 changes I want to make are, I want to be able to change the quantity on the second entry.
Yeah, so you can do that.
Second entry takes the same amount as the first entry. And so far, the second entry has been really an amazing trade. I mean, hasn't lost that many times. The second entry is paid for itself plus all the losses. So I don't know. I feel like if I could maybe double that number. Would suck adding to the loss because it already takes large losses, but as long as I can keep the loss within range without blowing the account or damaging the account, if I could add more to the second entry, I think it would improve things. Another thing I want to try, I think I was talking about it yesterday with Bama and Skeletor, is a VWAP filter. So I was going back last night, looking over the trades on the more aggressive settings. It's had 7 losses in the past 3 months. And about half of those losses were because of VWAP. So
damn VWAP, huh?
Well, that's only like 3 losses, but still. I mean,
VWAP has been a very
when you have
nasty...
7 losses and 3 or 4 of them is VWAP, that's
yeah. VWAP has never been kind to me in my career. Doesn't mean it can't be used. It just means I can't use it.
That's why I don't like fighting VWAP. But the problem is, I've had issues before with trying to make a filter like that, is how many winning trades do you then take out of the equation because you're not taking those trades? So, only way to know, we'll be able to set something up and test it. I was looking at this short here, but the way it kind of dumped, I mean, it kind of just taking the first candle would have been a chase.
So take a look what I was saying over here. Let me see if I can get it up here.
You still have problems getting it up?
There's your 5-minute chart, NQ.
Yeah.
And look at the Dow. NQ. Dow. I mean, just compare it to the blue box. The blue box is the pre-market session.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? That's a little bit of confusing. We're right here. This is the chart it's on now. Is the Dow? I gotta edit.
That's the NQ. It says it.
No, yeah, I gotta get rid of that label there. I'm gonna fix it now because I copied the chart.
Oh,
There we go.
you.
There we go. YM.
That was kind of confusing, huh?
Yeah, it is. So there you go. Just compare it to those two boxes. MYM, nowhere.
Yeah.
It's like right there. And NQ, look how it's dumping. So that's the only thing that's making me say this won't continue into a further sell-off is because the Dow is still really holding. Dow isn't participating.
Looking at your pivot points at
ES
34. Mine's at like 24.
ES is even weaker. That's the funny thing.
That's weird. Our pivot points are 10 points off.
You know what I'm going to do? I know what I'm going to do. I've been struggling with my chart layout. I haven't been happy with it. Goodbye. What's this?
What are you getting rid of?
Nothing. I'm moving the ES. So I won't be able to look at them at the exact same moment together. But that's fine. I mean, yeah, that's fine. I'll just flip between. And it'll be...
Man, what a dump, man.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at the hourly. Oh, we went called the 25,000, huh? Earlier.
Yeah, there you go. Now what happens at the 25,000? Let's see. We're right there on the line. Let's see what happens. Then we got 25,000 and 24,000, like 920. So
back here Thursday, we made the high, which really wasn't that much of a high over the previous high. But then ever since Thursday, Friday barely made another high, dumped. Thursday made the high, dumped. Friday barely made another high, then dumped. Monday barely pushed above it, dumped, pushed back up, barely pushed above that and dumped. And then here's Tuesday, barely pushes above Monday's high and then dumps. See a pattern?
mm-hmm.
I don't know. This could be a turnaround for the market.
Yeah. It really could. But
Could see 24,400.
I'm not going to put any bias in my head. I'll just watch. I'll watch and react.
I don't need a bias, but
Yeah.
just looking at possibilities.
Yep.
I think 24,400, 22. I think that's our target. Either that or 24,600. We'll look for those two areas.
Okay, so what do we got? We got a little bit of a bounce here off 25,000.
Bitcoin made that high, but then it's pulling back again. Ruin called it with the moon indicator again, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Shot up, took his profit and pulling back.
I got a band bounce trade.
Long or short?
Short, but I'm out already. I'm going to try again. I'm scalping very quickly. I'm not trying to take much risk at all. I really don't want to take exposure in the market. I'm short again. Ooh, and I have to get out. Okay, that cost me a little bit. It's okay. We wait for our next setup. Band bounce failed.
Yeah, I think what we've seen before about October being the good month, I think that was wrong data. I think October's the bad month. November, December are going to be the good months.
There are no bad months. That's
possibly even January. Well, November's been green 12 out of the past 15 years. December's been green 9 out of the past 15. In January, 11 out of the past 16.
What I would do with the data that you have is I would get a second opinion. I would double confirm it somewhere. I like the data, but I wouldn't rely on one source now that I see what happened.
Well, like I said, this is new to the platform, so they are working on it. I believe it even says beta somewhere.
Beta.
So that's what we get with new data. I like it. Glad they added it. Finally, they added something I like. September, terrible month. 9 out of the last 16 years. Hell, September is the worst month of the year.
It's surprising because don't they have that expression, sell in May and go away? You'd figure May would be the worst month of the year. It's 11:45. I have to make a decision.
Oh, wow. How about this one? July. 15 out of the last 16 years. You going to tell me you wouldn't use that data?
Okay. What about this year? What did it do?
This year, July was up 2.42%.
So the 15 out of the 16, you mean it's up in July, right? Obviously.
Right. So the 1 year it was down was last year. Out of the past 16 years, it was down 1.6%. You know what that means, right?
No.
You buy fucking stocks in July, buddy.
You're buying? Next July, you're going long?
Damn right.
Whoa.
Dude, kind of wish I'd have taken this trade.
Whoa.
Oh, man.
There you go.
I'm going to still want to jump in. This is going to the bottom, I think. Could be chasing. I think it's going to the bottom. I think it's going to test the lows. I just don't see it not doing it. Question is, if I jump in, does it give the pullback first? Sell everything. I agree, Scale. Sell everything. Sell your house, sell your dog, sell your car, sell your neighbor.
No.
No? I can't sell my neighbor?
No, to my cat. My cat thinks the desk is his. I gotta put my foot down.
I thought you were saying I couldn't sell my neighbor.
Can do whatever you want with your neighbor, but my cat can't. Man, if he gets too comfortable on the desk, he's going to sit on the monitor and break it or make it fall off the desk. He's going to spill my coffee. He's going to burn himself on my coffee plate warmer.
Well, then he'll learn.
He's going to place trades. It's going to be a whole heck of a disaster.
You sound like the people at Cub Scouts yesterday when my kid was climbing all over the firehouse. Like, don't you think your kid's going to get hurt? I'm like, so?
Yeah, I agree.
Not our job as parents to never want them to get hurt. Our job is to be there to support them when they do get hurt.
Besides that, they got to learn to...
they got to learn their limitations.
Be nimble and all that. Yeah, definitely.
Mike Skeletor said, "Sell your cat." We're selling everything. We're selling everything. Y'all gonna see me in a cardboard box. Damn, what happened to all your shit? I sold it. Waiting for this market to crash so I can buy. Nah, I'm just kidding. Skeletor, just kidding. Don't sell everything.
Okay, we're at the previous day's low.
Look, I don't care. When it comes to the long-term stuff, goes up, I make money. Comes down, I buy more. So, selling in queue with 10 minis. Full port. I get your blood pumping, huh? All I want to know is what stocks we're buying and how long we got to wait. Who's down on the day? Oracle down 5-6%. Oracle got beat up today, didn't they? Hell no, I ain't buying that. You see that? It's way up there. All right, what else is there? I already closed Ninja. Good job. Be green and get out. I would like to be green. That last trade right there sure would have got me green if I'd have taken it.
Interesting potential for a bounce here.
The last two trades were just like big jump on the entry. Kind of feel like you're chasing. Mike said he was leaving at 11:45, but he's so excited over there, man, he can't get out of his chair. How about Salesforce? Anybody like Salesforce?
AMD is in the news a lot lately.
I got to check my AMD. I got AMD.
What's going on with AMD?
Some deal with they made a deal with somebody. Are we getting another short entry? Are we serious right now?
Yeah, I got
Somebody
one.
said something. Somebody's killing this market. We got the low right beneath us. Yeah, AMD, they made a deal with OpenAI.
Oh, is that what?
A lot of people are saying that they're creating a loop. That's why I was watching a video on it yesterday. Guy said they're creating a loop. It's crazy. So somehow there's a deal between OpenAI, NVIDIA, and AMD. And OpenAI made a deal with NVIDIA, and then somehow turned around when they get money from NVIDIA, then they're giving it to AMD. Then they get money from AMD and they give it back to NVIDIA. Look, they got ChatGPT telling them how to make the deals. Like, look, these people are going to give you money when you do this. Then you give it to these people. Then they're going to give you more money. And then you spin it back around over here.
I'm calling unfair.
They have a pyramid scheme or something going on, people are saying. With hundreds of billions of dollars. It's crazy. I think they said there's a new GPT, right? Did I hear that right?
Oh my God, really? I guess, look, they got to keep updating, but
Do we have a 6 now? What do we got? All I see is regular 1 or plus. Seen they was interviewing the COO and was asking about the subscriptions, and he said that they got way more than they expected. The guy's like, well, everybody's just using the free version, right? And he's like, no way. How's the subscriptions going? He said, we got way more than we expected.
Well, I'm not going today. It's colder on Wednesday and Thursday, but it's sunny on Wednesday and Thursday. So I'll go on Wednesday, I think. Or Thursday. You pick.
Wife's going to get on to you. You told her y'all were going somewhere today. Oh, I don't tell people what to do. You got to make your own decisions.
I know. That's why I don't have you as my accountability partner.
I'm a terrible accountability partner. You know why?
Because you don't tell us what to do. You keep telling me that I'm a grown man and I should make my own decisions.
Exactly. That's exactly why. Ding, 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 ding. Exactly why.
Pizza day. No pizza day. I'm doing
pizza
well.
every day. We're getting another short. Are we for real here?
Yeah, wow. It's like you're following my charts.
This one's kind of skewed a bit, I think. How about this one? I wish I'd have taken that last one. I clicked over and I saw the candle, and before I could even get to the button, we already had 2 more candles. I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa. The one before that did the same thing. It's been so fast. What do you do?
I don't know.
Would like to make back at least a little bit of my red, but I have no intentions of trying to be green.
You want to hear the crazy thought that's going in my head right now? Start trading bigger.
In this market?
Mm-hmm.
Get it then. Hey, if you got it like that. I told you I was a terrible accountability partner.
I'm sitting on my hands right now. I gotta fight that urge. No. First
off, I don't like telling people what to do. You know, man, you gotta do your own shit. Second off, I don't like people telling me what to do.
Yeah,
grown man, you leave me fuck alone.
That's my world.
What do you mean I can't trade? I got the button, not you. What you gonna do about it?
Yeah, no, if I go bigger, I won't be able to buy a winner. I can promise you.
We're at the fire department yesterday with the Cub Scouts. And, one of the leaders is telling my son, he's like, we're not leading any rebellions today, okay? Like, that kid's leading a rebellion sooner or later.
Pizza day. Someone said pizza day. Skeletor, I think. Yeah, no. When are you going? Where's the pizza day? That's more interesting. Where are you going? Oh, I gotta pick Tuesday. Up some gates and some railings for my deck. Still working on the deck. We're a slow work in progress here. So yeah, it's at a place. It's custom made, so it's a little far away. And it's in the country, so it's a beautiful drive. So I don't want to go on a rainy day. I want to get myself a coffee, enjoy the ride through the trees and the forests. And pizza day. No, I'm down to 1 meal a day, and I'm drinking quite a bit more water. Diet Cola ain't making it in my house anymore. I got through the withdrawal, the week of withdrawal. So I'm doing good. Keep up the momentum. The only thing now I got to fix is my sleep. That's still in the toilet. I have terrible sleep habits.
You know what I do that helps my sleep when I do it is drink a smoothie before bed.
Really? With vodka in it?
No vodka.
Just a smoothie? How's that going to help? Melatonin? Is there anything in there that I should know about? Or it's just a berry smoothie?
Protein shake. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I was telling my wife, I was like, I sleep so much better when I have
A full
protein
belly.
shake.
Yeah.
That's what she said, a full belly. I'm like, well, if it was a full belly, then why wouldn't dinner do the trick? Sometimes I'll eat dinner and then I'll have a protein shake. I don't know. She wants me to take other stuff to help me sleep, but then I wake up feeling groggy and stuff.
Not if you do what I told you.
What'd you tell me?
Well, I'm not going to say it on the thing.
Well, you know that I don't listen to people so much that I just, how can I remember? I don't even listen.
Don't want to get in trouble.
Why would you get in trouble?
I don't know. Weird world.
Trouble from me or from your wife?
No, I don't know. From someone who takes my advice on the internet. It says I tried it and then I had a seizure. Or I drove my car and I fell asleep. People do dumb shit.
So think for yourself, bro. Nah, a lot of people like accountability partners and stuff. I think it's a good thing. I've just never been that person. I mean, I'll try to help with accountability and stuff.
Yeah.
Look, how can I be your accountability partner? Here's what I do to myself, right? When I do something stupid, I look into this little black mirror right here in front of me. I say, you're a fucking dumbass. Now, would you want me telling you that all the time?
Well,
No.
because you know what? It's easier when you're objective than when you're in it. So you can objectively see the mistake I'm making and say, hey, get out of that. Or, hey, Mike, that's more than you should be losing. Like, you see my numbers. And if you see a number like a minus 400 or, hey, Mike, I thought you had a PDLL. Why are you still trading? You're unless you have a 250K account, you shouldn't be at minus 400. I don't want to see minus 300. Hold my feet to the fire.
Mike, listen. One day you're going to be a grown man, okay?
Yeah. Then why would they have done Alcoholics Anonymous and Gamblers Anonymous? Because support helps. Two are better than one.
Because they're too stupid to realize that stuff don't help them.
Two are better than one, especially when a person is not seeing clearly, and you are. Because once you get into fight or flight, once the amygdala, the little emotional thing there, takes over, you don't see straight anyways.
If you want to quit drinking alcohol, look up your reasons for quit drinking alcohol. If you want to quit anything in your life, look up the reasons for why you want to quit. When I quit smoking, one of the best things that helped me quit smoking was watching a video on the psychology of smoking, and understand that everything that you tell yourself about smoking is a lie. Everything you tell yourself about alcohol is a lie. People have the notion that you drink coffee, you have to have a cigarette, right? You have sex, you have to have a cigarette. That's a lie. How do you know it's a lie? Because you don't have to have coffee when you smoke a cigarette. So if it don't go both ways, it's not true, it's a lie. You want to stop overtrading? Understand that the majority of times when you overtrade, you lose. That's how the market works. They get you in, they get you to trade more, you lose more.
But
so anything you want to stop doing, understand why you want to stop doing it, and it's easier to stop.
I agree, but it's impulse control, and not a lot of people are good with impulse control.
I don't know if anybody ever went to AA to quit drinking. I've seen a lot of people go to AA. I ain't never seen any of them stop drinking.
So they go to meet girls?
I don't know why they go. They like the thought of quitting. They don't realize that it's actually easier to quit than to keep thinking about it. Just like losing weight. I mean, we can all lose weight anytime we want to. It's not hard. It's super simple.
Yep.
All you have to do is do it. Why don't we do it? Fucking know why. We're lazy, I guess. I don't know.
Well, no. A hunger is a feeling. It's an instinctive feeling that tells you to feed yourself.
No, I disagree.
And then we overeat.
I
That's
disagree.
not an instinct.
Disagree.
Well, you disagree with everything I say.
So
I got it.
The majority of the time that you feel hungry is an addiction. Being overweight is the byproduct of a drug addiction, and people don't realize that. So sugar is a drug. They actually tried to ban it at the same time they banned marijuana and cocaine and other things.
Come on.
So when you
It's
have
in
all that
everything.
sugar,
What are you going to do? You're going to ban watermelon? You're going to ban apples, pears, bread?
think
'Cause
watermelon
bread
has
has sugar.
sugar.
Milk has sugar. Everything has sugar. How are you going to ban sugar?
well, that was the argument, and that's why they didn't ban it, because a lot of things have natural sugar. Fake sugar. Yeah, processed sugar is a drug.
Oh, refined sugar, maybe what you mean. 39, 46, 56.
So when you're hungry, are you hungry because you're hungry, or are you hungry because your body wants that sugar? Remember, it's a drug. You go through withdrawals all the time from that sugar. That make sense?
Are you kidding me? I gotta lighten up.
See, he's like, I need an accountability partner.
No, I
Start
didn't
telling him
say I need
sugar's
one. I say
start
it
telling him
helps.
sugar's a drug. Sugar's not a drug. Sugar's not a drug.
I need a sugar accountability partner.
Look, I'm terrible with sugar, man. Even my wife says it.
That's a terrible accountability partner. You're fired.
Why I can't be an accountability partner? I'm too much to the point.
Oh, we got a long trade at 53. Okay. What can I get in at? I
Go
can
to
get in
say
at
chocolate salty bowls.
49. That's an addiction.
That is an addiction, huh?
If I can get in at 49, 48, 47, that would be beautiful.
Look, I'd be skinny if I didn't go on sugar binges.
Oof. I'm not a sugar guy at all. Salt is my poison.
Some people say salt's bad for you, and some people say it's not bad for you.
Well, what I mean is salty food. So salt on my French fries and salt on my, I don't know what else, but it's not just salt. It's what it
tried
comes
everything.
with. It's what I put it on top of.
They tried everything in the world to get my dad to quit eating salt. He wouldn't do it. So me salt till the day I die.
Yep. I swear to God, I think that is the one. Oh, there we go. Shit, that was my level. See, I should have had a limit order in.
Yeah, we broke a trend line. What's that mean? 5-minute chart. See it?
I don't know. Yeah, well, that's a very steep trend line. You have it drawn on your thing?
You can't see that chart. I can draw it for you if you want me to. Do you not know how to draw it? I draw it. There you go. Just like that.
Yeah, from there. What about the higher points that change the slope? Yeah, I kind of see it.
Didn't I tell you I draw ugly trend lines?
Ugly trend lines. I kind of see it.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Time to eat. See you tomorrow. Stay green.
Stay green.
Stay green. I got you. Feel it to I gotta be green to stay green. Maybe you want to stay green. Look, I'm green on a few accounts, mainly the bot accounts.
Oh wow, look at that dump.
Red on a few accounts. Christmas tree day. Probably have to call it a red day. I'm not going to try to fight it back. If I find something, I'll take it. I'm not going to fight it. How was the orb bot? I was super worried about it this morning because it kept trying to tag me in and then wouldn't do it. It was super choppy. See if I could turn it on and show those trades.
Well, now Dow is going down, and ES and NQ are going down. So are we going to break and make new lows?
Here. Oh yeah, I forgot it. Like take profit. Yeah, the open was pretty terrible. You see here, it was looking to. Maybe I could draw it with this here. So this here was the entry point. Take profit was there. The other side and the stop loss. So you can see how many times this one wasn't accounted, but here it came down, almost ticked me in. This one came down again, almost got me in. Came down again, almost got me in. Again, almost got me in. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 times. Almost got me at the top over here. So 6 times. Finally tagged me in there. Went down, kind of ticked to take profit. Was that about 2 ticks? And then shot up to the moon. So I did come out good. It's been like this the past few days, though. It's been like a battle every day. Not the best conditions for the bot. Then yesterday I went through that large drawdown. I think it was 35 points or 40 points or something like that. But still came back, made it, was fighting VWAP. I always hate fighting VWAP. And the day before that, which was what, Friday, I guess? Large drawdown again. Almost to the stop, missed the stop loss. I remember it was 4 points. Yeah. 48 points drawdown, missed the stop loss by 4 points. Came back, took a second entry. I don't know how well you can see it. It's hard to see. Where is it? Barely see it. Right there. Entry. Came up here. Stop loss was there. Took a second entry, came down, got everything out there. Yeah, I see it. So, while the days have still been green, they've been difficult. Not very good conditions at all for the bot. And this is the conservative one here.
Oh my God.
Where analysis, there we go. Trades. So, still doing good. Still holding up, even in the worst of conditions so far.
I completely forgot about my bot.
94% run rate so far. 5 losses. The other one was 7 losses. 5 losses, 94%, 3.84 profit factor. And this would be higher. I turned the contracts down because of the way the market's been. So this would have been about 6,000 or 7,000. Of course, that's a 3-month range, but it's conservative settings. The other one, the aggressive one's like, hold on, I got it on. Click on it real quick. Wait, this one. Maybe I don't have it on. Think I can improve it if I can get DeepSeek to fix some of these things I was talking about Skeletor, I don't know if he was listening. I was talking about wanting to fix I want to add second entry orders. So I have the second entry, but I want to be able to tell it how many orders. So I want to double the second entry. Right now, I think it's on 10 contracts for this one, the aggressive one. So the second entry is going to add another 10. I'd like it to add, instead of 10, like either 15 or 20. Because that second entry is going to be like a 2 or 3 to 1 risk to reward. Or reward to risk. And historically, the second entry has a pretty high win rate. I think that could improve the bot even more. The aggressive settings had 7 losses. I think the way I got it right now, it can pass an account every 2 to 2.5 weeks. I want to get it up to about a week and a half. So I want little refinements here and there. And of course, it's in terrible market conditions, so
18, 21.
We don't know if it'll survive the market conditions. Worst come to worst, it'll do terrible for a month or two and then turn it back on. Right, Mike?
I agree. Worst comes to worst.
I don't think there's anything out there that's constantly going to do well and never see a rainy season.
No, of course not.
So the thing is how many accounts can you pass and make money before the sky falls? And to be honest, I've been trading these bots, 3 months, been working on them for probably at least 6. And even the back data from there. So, we got like 6 to 9 or 10 months of data. Just absolutely killed it. Will that continue? I don't know. Like everything else. Strategy does great until it don't. Mike, see any trades?
No, there would be a short setup if we can now that if we just popped up from 10 to 31, if we can go back down.
Shouldn't go long.
No, I don't see a reason to go long. Certainly not. I got nothing that's saying long.
So we did break above the trend line. We came back down to test it. Kind of testing the support again. We never broke through this support level here. Tested it, pushed up, came back, tested again, pushed up, came down again, tested it for the third try. Kind of creating a inverse head and shoulders. With the break of a trend line and a pull back down to test it. I think we have a gap here. Maybe we'll get above that gap or something. Take a long. Once again, I'm a terrible reversal trader. Don't follow my trade. That is why the algo traders have a lot of portfolios with a lot of bots for different markets and market conditions. Yeah, Skeletor, more and more I'm starting to understand that. I've been through so many bots and they work great until they don't. I'm starting to get to the point now where I understand that instead of scrapping a bot because it goes through a down period, you want to keep it and save it and then revisit it in a few months. use it while it's hot, and then when it's not, dial back and turn it off and go to something else. Market's always going to change. We as traders have to adapt to the market, find out which strategies are currently working great and which ones are not. Everybody thinks their strategy is the end-all, be-all, and the only strategy that ever works. Till the market no longer favors them, and then they get ruined.
What'd you say about ruin?
I didn't say ruin. That was a good catch, though.
Stop talking about him. He's sensitive. Run, you still around? What's up, mon ami? It's pretty decent scalping conditions. I'm here.
Hey.
I feel like I woke him up. Whoa, I'm here. Shit, I was having a dream.
Was a good dream, too.
It was. It was the full moon. Bitcoin was going up. I got to get out. Okay, well, there's a loser. I'm out. Later.
Yep.
Take care, Skeletor.
Skeletor, see you later.
Have very big delay. Oh, have a very big delay. Yeah.
Got big what?
Is a delay.
Oh.
What's my delay? 48, 49, 50. I'm 6 seconds behind on my monitoring
55.
here.
Yeah, about 5-6 seconds. Ruin goes to the doctor. Ruin, how your dreams been? Been dreaming of candles and full moons, blood moons, and doctor's like, we might have some medicine to put you on. Stars. Ruin, are you what do they call it? Mike, help me out here.
I'm in a trade. Small one, but I'm still in a trade.
What do they call those people who are all about the stars?
A medium, maybe? I don't know. Astrologist?
No.
Astronomer?
Remember they used to put in the paper your horoscope? Oh, the horoscope people.
An astrologist. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the people that wake up and read the horoscope every morning.
That's an astrologist. An astronomer is a real one. An astrologist is a fake one.
Is it? Okay. Calm down. Do I have nerve?
My aunt is an astrologist, okay?
It's like, you will not talk about me like that.
Did I hit a nerve? Yeah,
Well,
you
don't hear that much about it anymore. I remember it used to be in the paper every morning. Everybody was waking up. People used to always, what's your sign? What's your sign? Like, I don't know. What the hell are you talking about?
Yeah, no, we're just joking, Ruin. We're not saying that you're an astrologist. Unless you are an astrologist. Once a month, that's all I use it for. Yeah, I even tell Omnius sometimes. Sometimes the jokes can be taken the wrong way and they don't sound like a joke or the joke flops. Not all jokes hit. And
told you we need a laugh track. Help the jokes out.
11. Got a short at 11. Let's see if I can get in at 14 or 15.
Anyway,
11.
I didn't say there was anything wrong with those.
Anyways.
I didn't say there was anything wrong with those people. I'm just saying that years ago, I mean, it used to
people,
be.
just by using the term "those people."
Are you trying to get me in trouble?
Those people. That was funny. What am I doing? I'm trading and it doesn't, what am I on, demo? It doesn't look like my numbers are changing.
Now I'm going to go look up Mike's astrology. What's your horoscope?
Cancer. Cancers are kind, generous people. They make great accountability partners.
Told you I was a terrible accountability partner.
Yeah, you're a Pisces.
How do you know?
I just made it up. I don't know. I don't even, that's the only 2 signs I know. What do I know? I know Pisces, Aries, Cancer, Capricorn.
I don't know what I am. I think I'm like in between 2 or something. Like, why do they make it so difficult?
That's the 4 that I know. Oh, we got a little bit of a potential. I'll take.
Why can't I just make it like go with the month or something?
Oh shit! Get out! Get out! Get out! Okay, that cost me some dollars.
Is it lunchtime yet?
It is. I want it to go for like 40 minutes already. I'm addicted to the click.
Stick around for too much longer. I'll try to find something and lose more money.
Mm.
Here, I'll leave you with
Thought of the day.
Leave you with a cat playing guitar.
Yeah, you're leaving? Oh,
I'm right.
okay. Yeah. You're so cute. You have one of those on your keychain?
Look, when the girl puts something on the desk, I'm not allowed to touch it.
No, I agree.
I get in trouble.
As you should.
Got that one. This one. Yeah, there's a delay. I don't know what this guy is. My desk looks like a 5-year-old's here. What else I got? I got this guy. I have to give him names. And what else we got? Got this guy. This is my accountability partner. There you go. Get you an accountability partner like
that. Pull your flex over your double bottom on ES. Double bottom with a high or low on NQ.
Then I got a red one with a heart.
And that was going up. Interesting.
That's my other accountability partner.
That's a lot of them. Plus you have the Tasmanian devil there. This guy here, which I'm going to play. You have that guy on your...
Oh, yeah, right here. Yeah. Yeah, I almost forgot that one.
Mm-hmm. There he is.
All right, guys.
Max.
We're going long, man. I'm telling you, we're going long. I called it, didn't I? We broke the
Is it Omnius
Broke
Man
together.
or Omnius Max? No, it's Omnius Man. Omni-Man. It's not even Omnius Man. It's Omni-Man.
Give me a pullback. I dare you.
I dare you.
Dare you. Better calm down. That's a bit more than I'm thinking it is. Thought I could hold that maybe to the bottom there, but that's 50 points. You give me something that's not 50 points? Do you want this long? All right, I'm gonna get off here before y'all see me do some bad trading.
Okay, I'll get off with you. Give me just a sec. Let me get out of this trade. My phone's buzzing. David, give me a sec here.
Getting a pullback. Give me something. Give me something that's not 50 point stop loss, and I'll take it. Ruin, take care, buddy. Appreciate you. Always fun having you hang out. All right, guys. Killing it there. See everybody tomorrow morning. I'll shut his down in a minute. There you guys.
Me too. I'm leaving hastily. Sorry about that. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. It was a good day for me. All green on those. I don't know how many accounts. 8 accounts. It was great scalping, and I'm green on one Apex account. That's all I did. The Apex account is up 538, so that's nicely. And that's it. The markets were good for me today. I will see you tomorrow at 9:15 or earlier. Thanks for hanging out. Take care, guys.